How to use Ask AI to generate content. Whether you need blog posts, social media captions, or even YouTube scripts, Ask AI can help you create amazing content in no time. First things first, open Ask AI and type a clear prompt. Be specific. For example, you could ask, write a 200-word blog post about productivity tips or create 5 Instagram captions for a coffee shop. The more details you give, the better the AI output will be. Now, check the AI generated content. Ask AI will give you the text ready to use or edit. You can tweak it, add your style, or just use it as inspiration. Think of it as your creative assistant, helpful, fast, and full of ideas. Next, refine and repeat if needed. If the first response isn't perfect, ask for improvements or variations. For example, type make it more fun and casual or give me 3 alternative headlines. Ask AI can help you brainstorm endlessly. And that's it. With Ask AI, content creation becomes fast and fun. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.